See this? Look, watch.
It gets hot.
Really hot. I'll see. When it's hot enough to burn this, we know it's ready. See it?
Yes.
There's. Watch this. See it melt?
Yes.
See?
It's melting.
Yep, it's melting. So now, watch it. You almost touched the end of this. So now what we gotta do is we gotta go like this. Watch this. You gotta move over just a bit, Kyle, because I will severely burn you. Not on purpose, but you can sit right here. Just move over here a little bit. There you go.
I want to play stack nuts.
No, we're not staying here all night, Kyle.
I'm just playing stack nuts for a bit. Nut, stack first nut.
There we go. Look at that. Perfect. We are now eyeglass repair shop. See?
Yep, I guess you can fix glasses.
Look at that. Oh, shit, it fell off. Guess we're not eyeglass repair shop. It fell off already. Guess we gotta
I'm playing stack nuts.
I guess we gotta play around this a little more. Cause you play stack nuts and I'll just go nuts, okay? Sound good?
Yes.
I think we gotta get some juice on here. Come on.
Get some juice?
Let's see this. Shit. Now.
Do you hear a dog? Or is it just that?
Kinda.
Because I heard a dog crying. I'm gonna play stack nuts.
Stack nuts, huh?
Yes, I'm gonna stack the nuts.
Oh no, the glass is coming out. Oh, I see how it works. The glass is gonna have to come out.
It's gonna be a brick wall.
I put a spot of crazy glue in there.
I need more nuts. Stack this. More nuts. I need more nuts. Nuts. I need more.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Just enough to last a week.
I'm gonna play stack nuts.
Well, we're gonna go now because we
No,
have
we're
to.
not.
Yes, we are.
No.
Yes, we are. Say goodbye to YouTube.
No, stay
Bye.
here with us.
No, we gotta go.